Anyang forging press machinery. Y83-1000 briquetter, maximum capacity 12 ton per hour. Anyang Forging Press Machinery Industry Company Limited. Our products include CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammers, hydraulic forging presses, electro-hydraulic forging hammers, pneumatic forging hammers, hydraulic riveting machines, briquetters, and other specialty products. Our state-of-the-art machining facility produces high-quality equipment utilizing the most modern machine tools operated by highly skilled personnel. High-capacity briquetter components. All Anyang machinery consists of components designed and manufactured with the utmost care and effort. Components shown are destined to be assembled in the 1000 briquetting press. Note the massive end housing and tie bars. Shown is a fully assembled model 1000 briquetting press. Using the massive housing and tie bars will provide unyielding rigidity, a must for reliable and long-term performance. The white star identifies the location of the main compression cylinder. This briquetter cylinder is the largest used in the world today. The large cylinder size provides for optimum performance and maximum life expectancy. All briquetters require some type of in-feed equipment. Shown is a 10-yard hopper suitable for free-flowing material such as cast iron. High-capacity briquetter in operation. Five electric motors having a combined connected horsepower of 300 provides hydraulic power to the briquetter. Optimum performance is provided by the massive hydraulic cylinder shown in operation. The end housing that supports the cylinder is attached to 3 large diameter tie bars. This allows for the ultimate rigidity and outstanding performance. Please note the 3 tie bar design briquetter allows for simple and easy main cylinder service and repair. Black Star locates briquetter in-feed receiving cast iron. The chip receiver feeds the primary chip compression unit that forces the chips into the briquetting chamber. The briquetter can compress a variety of materials such as cast iron, aluminum, copper, brass, steel, titanium, and other materials not identified. The machine in operation is briquetting cast iron, producing an extremely dense briquette, and at the same time removing retained coolant. The briquette is nominally 9 inches by 9 inches. Other tooling is available for different sizes. Medium capacity briquetter in operation. Anyang not only produces the Model 1000, but offers 3 other briquetting presses that produce briquettes at a production rate of up to 2,000 to 4,000 pounds per hour. A Model Y83-230 is shown being cycled prior to being put into production. Anyang Forging Press Machinery is represented in the United States by Chip Systems International.